is an example of a t-shirt design I created on Adobe Photoshop using a mockup file, which I have also provided in the description link. So let's see that how we can create it.
First we will create a text layer and type word Dios. Dios is a US group brand of apparels, so you can also search. After typing it, we can select the color from the right navigation. As you can see, we can also check the text style from the upper menu. Now we will resize it from the drop down option of text. Keep it in the center. Now right click on the text layer and select the option and convert it into a smart object. After this we will duplicate it. We will just keep it on the previous layer to match the size and plus Ctrl T, and we'll manually select the point and drag it into bottom. So as you can see, we just need to make sure that it is not mismatching in size. Now right click on duplicated layer and click on perspective and simply drag it as I am doing right now. So you can see that it looks like a shadow. Now we will select the blend mode. Blend mode should be linear or darken color, or we can test it. Now click on image tab, click on adjustment and brightness and highlight contrast. Now manually change value of the contrast and brightness. Now it's look more darker. Here you can check the preview. Okay. Now we'll click the option on the from the bottom and click on blending option. As you can see the window appear. Click on gradient overlay. Give a gradient effects from this option on shadow. So I will select a black color. Dark color of red, dark red color, and the half of the layer will be transparent or white. Yes, it should be white, I think. Foreground, background, you can also check these options. There are many options you can use based on your objective. Now press OK. Now as you can see, the shadow looks like appealing on the screen. Now from the image tab, again we will revalue contrast and brightness for the previous layer, first layer of Dios. Yes, now we have created. Now we'll go to Pinterest and we'll search some outfit designs or image which should be look good on our created design. So you can find there are many options. You can explore it. Many options there. You just type t-shirt outfits drawing. We want a clip art drawing object. So here you can see the results on Pinterest. Now we'll select this or similar to this which look better with our created design. Man in t-shirt outfit, yes. I'm looking something like this. The quality of the Pinterest is, it has a great option like search lens option, which makes it easy to search similar design on the Pinterest. I think this will look very good. Yes, this one, amazing. So we will simple download the image. Now we will import it here. We need to crop it, so we will go to select tab, click on subject. So it will also select the edges of this image. We don't need to select it manually. Control C, and also our background will be white. Control V. So now it's appearing behind the shadows. Just drag the layer top of the all. You just need to keep it on front, just as you can see. With white background, it's looking amazing. Simple merge all the layers and export it as a PNG file. Here you can see it's a mockup file. As I have told you that the link I have already provided in the description. So you can also download many mockup files available online from many websites. So here we can check all the layers of this mockup file. Main layer, as you can see that I have given the name of this layer because this is the main layer in which we can change the design color of the t-shirt. Other showing shadows, highlights, effects. You simply need to open this mockup file in your Adobe Photoshop and then paste your layer under this main two group. As you can see, there is a drop down option displaying. Simple drop here. As you can see, when I hide this layer, so color of the mockup file automatically change into black. Simple drop here. Simple resize your layer over the shirt. Yeah, as you can see, it's only expanding over mask, so it will not affect on the shadows of the sleeves because the separate layer has already been created. Simple fill this remaining part of the t-shirt with white color, and now you can see it's a complete design. Oh no, and not affecting the background. So this is the mask which I have already created, or you can already find in the mockup file. So we can create basically multiple designs by changing these layers: sleeves, neck, border of the neck, and also its colors. So color combination, so we can play with the color combination easily. You can also put red color, so there are many options we can do, or we can also keep both red and yellow border, export it as a PNG file, because as you know in PNG file the background will be transparent.